In this video, I'll show you how to add sites, add new users, and use the magic links feature in SEO testing. To follow these instructions, make sure you're logged into SEO testing and the Google account that has access to the site in Google Search Console. You can add a site by clicking the Add Websites button in the top right corner of the Launchpad. Once you click this, a pop-up will appear with two options. You can either quick add multiple sites from your Google Search Console without filters, or you can choose to add a single site with advanced filtering options for pages and queries. Clicking on the Quick Add Multiple Website button opens up another screen where you can connect to Google Search Console. All you need to do here is click the Connect Google Account button that appears at the bottom of this pop-up. Once you've done this, select the Google account you want to use to add your sites. Be sure that the Google account you select has access to the Google Search Console properties you want to add. After selecting the Google account, a new screen will appear indicating that SEO Testing wants access to Google Search Console. Click Continue to give SEO Testing the required read-only permissions to access your Google Search Console data. Now, all you need to do is select the sites that you want to add to SEO Testing. Simply click the sites that appear in the list below, and then click Next to continue. Here, you can review your selected sites before clicking the Add Website button to add them to your SEO Testing account. Now, let's go back to the first screen and I'll show you how to add a single site with some advanced filtering options. Once you click the Add Single Site with Filters option, a new pop-up will appear, as before, prompting you to connect your Google Search Console account. Follow the same steps as before. First, sign into the Google account that has access to the Google Search Console property for the site that you want to add. Then grant SEO Testing read access to your Google Search Console data. Once you've done this, a new pop-up will appear allowing you to select and configure your site. First, select the site property you wish to add to SEO Testing. For this example, I'll use the SEO Testing website. Now, let's see the optional settings. If you want to filter data on the website, the first optional setting lets you filter traffic by a single country. Just select the country you want to see traffic data displayed from the list, or leave it empty if you don't want to filter data based on a country. When you use the country filter, SEO Testing will only display data from that country. Next, we have the search type filter, which lets us choose whether to show web data or other data that may be relevant to your site, such as images, videos, or news. Next, we have the dimension filter, which lets us filter data by pages or by queries. Once you've picked the dimension, you can select the filter type you'd like to use, such as contains or regex. For example, this lets you create a filter that shows only data from the blog subfolder. Another filter we can use is to exclude brand queries from our data, which is possible with the Excluding Regex option. Please remember that it's not possible to change these filter settings later without deleting the website and adding a new one. To add users, click your account name dropdown in the top right corner of your SEO Testing screen, then click Account Settings. Once you're there, navigate to the User Management section at the top of the screen. Here, you can click the Add User button that appears. Enter the user's name and email, then select the websites you want them to access. Before you finish, you can change their email alerts or leave them as they are. On some pages and reports, you will find a Share button located within your Actions dropdown at the top right of the screen. This allows you to create magic links. These are a great way to grant access to a single page or report in SEO testing without creating an account for another person. This is useful if you want to share a page with a lot of people at the same time, for example, for reporting purposes, but you don't want to create an account for each individual user, or if you just want to grant read-only access to a page. Just select how long you want the magic link to be active, and then click the Create Link button, and your magic link will be ready to share instantly. From the Account Settings section, you can find the magic links created on your account. If you have any questions or want to contact a member of our team, simply click the chat widget that appears within your SEO Testing account or email support@seotesting.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside of SEO Testing.